Hello, Songbird. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to sing without straining and without cracking embarrassingly. You know, the number one thing that actually makes us crack is actually when we sing with strain. So number one, let's stop straining. Okay, and I'm going to give you an incredible exercise to do that. It is a dumb and dopey gug, gug, gug. Okay, it goes like this. Gug, 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 gug. 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 So with this one, the higher you go, the more dumb and dopey you've got to get. This is actually what's going to help you to stop pulling up in the larynx, right? And everything just straining in the throat, which is what will cause you to crack. Songbird, if you truly want to stop singing without straining and cracking and you want to really master your voice, you really got to go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. It's something very special that I've created for you. Songbird, if you want more than just bite-sized lessons on random singing topics and you truly would like to have a step-by-step process to follow that would help you master your voice in the most quickest way possible, if you would like to learn not just what exercises to practice, but in what order, in which exact range, and the best way to progress them each day, each week, each month, each year, and beyond. If you would like to be given specific daily workouts that you could work on every single day, being guided as to how long you should practice each day, and when it's time to actually move on to more difficult workouts, if you want to progress from where you are as a singer now to becoming the singer that you've always dreamed of, then I invite you, Songbird, go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy, where you can get access to all of my vocal training programs, plus I add new content every single month. And guess what? I'm going to let you check all that out for free for the next 7 days. I've made this the most affordable and, dare I say, comprehensive and best library of vocal training ever. There's my foundational course, The Vocal Revolution, which teaches you everything you need to know about vocal technique and takes you from beginner to advanced. There's also my incredible supplementary courses, for example, my How to Sing in Mixed Voice programs, where you can zero in on a particular topic or a particular part of your voice. There's the webinars and masterclasses where you get an intensive 30-minute to 90-minute booster on a particular focused subject. There's also the guided exercises and extras, where I give you intensive boosters, but in 5 to 15 minutes also on a specific topic. And there is so much more. All of this to help you get grounded, take flight, and sing. Songbird, I'm always believing in you, and I just can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Click on the link to start your 7-day free trial now. Number 2, connect your chest and head voice. And a really fantastic exercise to do this is my doggy whimper. So you've got to really pretend to be like you're a very cute little puppy dog as you sing this, okay? Here we go. It goes like this. Now make sure that you really do make that a sound, so double M and not a right? As soon as you sneak a H in there, you're going to actually make your vocal folds flip out a little bit, and so you're not going to be connected anymore. And that is super important when you want to sing without cracking and straining. Songbird, if you're loving this video, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. That makes sure that you will know exactly when I drop my new videos. Number 3, sing in a bright mix. Now, when you actually want to make sure that you're singing it with a connected voice and therefore not cracking and also not straining, it's really good to insert resonance, right, and a brightness into your tone. Fantastic exercise for this is my bright bwa, and it goes like this. Bwa, 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 bwa. Bwa, 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 bwa. Bwa, 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 bwa. Blah, 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 blah. So when you sing this exercise, it's really good to have a bit of a smile on your face. That's really going to help to lift your soft palate and create the space that it needs in the back of the throat so that you don't strain. And also just to let that resonance ring forward. Now, if you want more, go and check out this video. You're going to absolutely love it. Songbird, I am always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.